Good morning, dear students. Today I shall be explaining chapter 17, Operations on Algebraic Expressions. Already we have learned this in the last chapter. An algebraic expression is a combination of integer, constants, variables, exponents. But algebraic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are these operations what we are going to learn in this chapter. 5x, x plus y, y minus x minus 3 and more are examples of algebraic expression. Let us learn the adding and subtracting of like terms. So what are like terms? Like terms are terms that contain the same variable or group of variables raised to the same exponent regardless of their numerical coefficient. For example, 3x and 6x are like terms. They both contain x. C6 square and 19c square are like terms. They both contain c square. 2xy cube and 101xy cube are like terms. They both contain xy cube as coefficients. Minus kilometer 2x to the power 5 and 17 kilometer 2x to the power 5 are like terms. They both contain kilometer. Now adding and subtracting like terms. To combine like terms, do the following. Determine which terms contain the same variable or groups of variables raised to the same exponent. Add or subtract the numerical coefficients. Then attach the common variables and exponents. For example, 3x plus 6x can be simplified to 3 plus 6 in bracket multiplied by x, that equals to 9x. Multiplying and dividing algebraic terms. When multiplying algebraic terms, you multiply numerical coefficients together, then list all the variables that occur in the terms being multiplied and add the exponents of like variables. When doing this, we can use what we learned in the last section on exponents. Let us take an example. Multiply the following terms. 2x, 2y multiplied by 6x, 2y. Remember, the dot indicates multiply sign. Answers: 2x into 6x, 2y equals to 2 into 6 in the bracket, then x square y into x square y in the bracket, that equals to 12 multiplied by 2 plus 2y to the power 1 plus 1, that equals to 12x 4y square. Similarly, you can understand the next example also. Now, dividing of the algebraic terms. The process for division of algebraic expressions is much like the multiplication process, with the exception that you divide the numerical coefficients and then subtract exponents instead of adding. The exponent rules for division are: if there are numerical coefficients in the expressions to be divided, just divide the numerical coefficient and then use the exponent rule to divide the variables. To divide variables, keep the variables and subtract the exponents. Now let us look at an example of division problem. Example: divide the following terms. b to the power 6 by b to the power 3. So b to the power 6 by b to the power 3 equals to b to the power 6 minus 3, that equals to b to the power 3. Now this 3, you need to understand that it is exponent. You can understand the example similarly. Thank you.